Good morning, second class children. So, are you all ready for the class? Yesterday, had you completed your question answers? And I had sent the fill in the blanks that previous day hard words, isn't it? Now, now I'm going to revise the complete lessons. I'll be highlighting all the important points. Okay. Teacher will write on the board all the important points about the rocks and minerals. What are the points we had learned in this lesson? That all I'm going to write it once again, so that that lesson will be very clear, and this lesson will be complete by today. And true or false, I will send it in the message. You just write it in the class book, children. Okay. So now I'm just going to give you, let's revise important points of the, it's like a highlight. I'm going to highlight all the important points of this related lesson. Okay. Rocks and minerals. So let me start the class. Be ready, all of you. Lesson number 11. 11. Rocks and minerals. Rocks and minerals. So note down this all these points in the class book. Okay. Just write the heading. Let's revise. Let's revise. Okay, children. So let me start. Just put the star mark. First star. Okay. Rocks are found. Rocks are found almost everywhere on earth. Almost everywhere on earth. On earth. Okay. Second point. Rocks can be, yes, how they can be? Yeah, rocks can be hard or soft. If they can be hard, it can be soft. Rocks can be hard or soft. Okay, rocks are found almost everywhere on earth. Rocks can be hard or soft. Third point. Granite, sandstone. Granite, sandstone. Granite, sandstone and marble are hard rocks. And marble are, which rocks they are? Hard rocks. They are hard rocks. Okay. Now the next one. Coal, chalk and slate. Coal, chalk and slate are soft rocks. Are soft rocks. S-O-F-T, soft. R-O-C-K-S, rocks are soft rocks. Rocks are made up of minerals. Rocks are made up of minerals. Minerals are very useful. Minerals are very useful. Very useful. Okay. So, more 2 points are there. I will write. First, listen to this class. Rocks are found almost everywhere on earth, isn't it? So we can find everywhere on the earth. Second point, rocks can be hard or soft. Okay. So I told you now, but two more things are there. It is smooth and sharp. But here what we are highlighting, only hard and soft. Okay. Now the next one, granite, sandstone and marble are hard rocks. Where they had used sandstone, I had given the information, and marble also where in which monument they had used, that also I had given the information. Okay. So granite can be used for where? Yes, for the constructing the houses. Okay. Everywhere in this granite can be used everywhere. Now next one, coal, chalk and slate are the soft rocks. Next one, rocks are made up of what? Minerals. Minerals are very useful. Minerals are very useful. The next one, minerals are different types. Minerals are minerals are different types. What are they? Different types. They are yes, you can say, start now. They are talc, okay, graphite, diamond, silica, silver, silica, SILICK, quartz, next one china clay, and tungsten. Okay. So these are the different types of minerals. They are used in different things. So those minerals are used in different things. Okay. So where it is used in talc, graphite is used in another thing, diamond for necklace, graphite in pencils, silver ornaments, silica, quartz in watch, okay, china clay for to make like what is that, pots, and silica is gypsum. Chalk is made from what? Chalk also it is there, but gypsum, one more mineral is there. I have written only tungsten. For it is a part of a bulb is made of tungsten. Okay children. The next one is silver and silica is for, I told you now, for mirror, for to make mirror purpose. Okay. So these are the uses of the minerals. So we had completed all the 8 points. Okay. So this lesson today we have completed children. Rocks and minerals lessons is completed. Now your turn is to keep on doing the practice, and I will send true or false, and you have to do it in the class by your own. Okay children. So today after true or false only you copied on this. Let's revise points. Okay. So we had completed all the lessons from your science textbook. Okay. So all the lessons are completed. Still today we had come to 13th February. Still we had completed all the lessons. Now your turn is to go for revision practice, writing practice, oral reading practice. Okay. And do the best way and show your performance. Okay children. And tomorrow I will send some worksheets for you related to the rocks and minerals. Okay. It's a small activity. Just try to do it. Okay children. So thank you and take care all.